Tap an already active brush to enter the brush menu. Concepts comes with a variety of pens available in the Basics section. In this video, we'll focus on the pen tools, including the standard pen, fountain pen, dynamic pen, fixed width, wire brush, and the dotted pen. Note that for all the dynamics of these brushes to work, you'll need to use a stylus with pressure and tilt support. The standard pen reacts to the velocity of your stroke by making it thinner the faster you draw. The fountain pen is just the opposite, where higher velocities make it wider instead. The dynamic pen has variable width, but it reacts to pressure instead of velocity. The harder I press, the wider the line becomes. With the fixed width pen, the thickness always remains constant, no matter how you draw it. The wire brush looks exactly like fixed width, but maintains its width regardless of the zoom level. And finally, the dotted pen remains constant as well, but leaves you with a uniform chain of dots, even when the line is adjusted. You'll notice that all of these pens, except for the wire brush, will land on the same layer when using automatic layering. Most of these, in addition to the fill tool, are what we call pure vector, meaning that the edge of the line always remains perfectly crisp even when blown up to huge scales. In case you're looking to export these as vector paths for use outside of Concepts, we recommend using the vector PDF format if you want to retain the dynamic look of these brushes.